Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how I make my spoon rings. So what I'll be using is a jeweler's saw, a spoon, this one's stainless steel, but you could use sterling silver as preferable anyway. A digital caliper, this one measures in millimeters so we can get the circumference of the ring you want to make, and a file, preferably a metal file. First off, I polished the spoon so it was nice and shiny, and then I measured the spoon so it was the correct circumference for a size 8 or 9. And then I cut it with my jeweler's saw, which didn't take too long, and I filed it so it wasn't sharp. Next, I bent my spoon into the ring shape. I used a size 18 on my Pepe ring bending tool. Okay, so this is the final product. Looks pretty nice. It's very shiny, as you can see. And if you'd like one of these, you can order one on my shop below. Each one is custom made. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and have a good one. Peace.